how to make a Bobux video. So what you're gonna do is grab this random image or picture. Doesn't really matter. I got Snow because she's cool, and from SCL. And then you want to add like random stock music. Well, like the music is optional. Like any stock music will go. See, I got like lay meme funny haha stock music right here. And what you want to do, like this is very important. Like, okay, you can use any video editor for this. I recommend KineMaster or iMovie Mac. So basically, just like whatever video editor you're on that has, you could use Audacity for this, but like just edit it to sound like weird or like muffled. Then what you want to do is just add random like any other sound effect. Like for instance, just got this beep sound. And then add like text. This works on like basically any video editor. I'm just using iMovie Mac because Despacito. Select text and write like a random number of Bobux. So I'll just write 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4 Bobux. And then there we go. That's your Bobux video.